Hey y'all, Dennis Backyard Barbecue. We got a new package in the mail today from Thermopro. It's the Thermopro TempSpike Pro. So I wanted to unbox it and see what all's in there. It is a Wi-Fi probe. So you no longer will be bound to the house to use your Bluetooth. So I'm excited. Let's see what we got here. All right, we've got 2 probes, our base station, which has this little handy dandy kickstand on the back, so you can stand it up like that, and we've got our charging cable. So let's see what we got here. I don't read French. All right, so it is Wi-Fi. It has an expandable charging hub. So somehow or other, twist them like that and remove them. That's pretty cool. It's got, you see the lock clip on there. And they do have some of these that have 4 probes. So if we wanted to add more probes, we could. All right, so that's the unboxing. I'm gonna get it charged up and then we're gonna do a cook with it. So be on the lookout for that. It's gonna probably drop in the next couple of days. So until I see y'all at the grill, which will be soon, y'all keep on grilling.